Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. Today's AMA dives into something I get asked about all the time, and that's, how do you protect your brand from competitors on Amazon and Google? If you're running an e-commerce business and you're doing even reasonably well, guess what? You're a target on Google Ads on Amazon, even in organic search. So let's talk about how to build a defensive strategy to protect your brand without playing dirty and still come out on top. Let's get into it. Why you need a defensive strategy. Here's the deal. As your brand grows, competitors will try to siphon off your hard-earned traffic. They'll bid on your brand name in Google Ads. They'll show up in sponsored products on Amazon. Some will even copy your listings, hijack your buy box, or run display ads targeting your customers. That's not paranoia. That's Tuesday. So your job isn't to hope it doesn't happen. It's to make sure when it does, you're ready. And that brings us to what I like to call proactive brand defense, both on Amazon and Google. Defensive strategy. On Google Ads, let's start with Google. This is your top of funnel territory. You want to protect your brand when people are actively searching for you first. Bid on your brand name. Some store owners get stingy here. They say, why should I pay for clicks I'm already getting organically? Here's why. Because your competitors are paying to show up above you. And if someone else appears before your organic listing, even on your own brand name, they can poach that customer. So yes, bid on your brand name. It's cheap, high converting traffic. And if competitors are already bidding, outbid them. Your CPCS will be lower than theirs anyway. 2, use site links and ad extensions. Google gives you tools, use them. Add site links to key category pages. Use call-out extensions to reinforce your USPs. Free shipping, 30-day returns, etc. Use structured snippets to show your product lines. The goal? Dominate more screen real estate, so even if a competitor shows up, you're the obvious choice. 3, brand campaign segmentation. If you're using Performance Max, which I recommend when optimized properly, make sure your brand terms aren't being diluted by generic traffic. Set up separate brand campaigns so you can control budgets and messaging. That way, your brand traffic doesn't get cannibalized by broad match spaghetti. Defensive strategy on Amazon. All right, let's jump to Amazon. If Google is the top of the funnel, Amazon is your middle and bottom funnel, people are close to buying. Here's how to defend your turf. 1, run sponsored brand ads on your own keywords. Just like Google, other sellers will target your brand name. And unlike Google, Amazon doesn't care about trademarks and search terms. They'll show your competitors right above your product. That's why you need to be the one showing up first when someone searches your brand. Run sponsored brand ads targeting your own brand name. Add a logo, headline, and handpick your best-selling SKUs. This isn't ego, it's insurance. 2, dominate the product detail page. Ever scroll down on one of your own listings and see a carousel of similar products? Yeah, those are your competitors bidding to steal your customers. Here's how you fight back. Use sponsored display ads to retarget shoppers who view your products. Cross-promote your own catalog so your brand appears in those carousels. Right? Bundle products together, and especially ones competitors don't carry. If you don't defend the bottom of your listing, someone else will. 3, Brand Registry and A+ content. If you haven't done this, stop the video, go do it, then come back. Seriously, register your brand with Amazon. Not only do you get A+ content, Amazon stores, and video ads, but you can also kick hijackers off your listings, and that's critical. When it comes to A+ content, think of it as your product's resume. Better content equals better conversion equals better protection. Cross-channel strategy. Brand defense everywhere. Now let's bring it together. What happens if someone clicks your ad on Google, lands on your website, and then gets retargeted by a competitor selling on Amazon? Or vice versa, you need to create a wall of brand consistency. Retarget your site visitors with Google Display and YouTube ads. Use Amazon DSP if you have the volume. It's powerful. Run email campaigns and SMS flows to bring people back. The more touch points you control, the less opportunity competitors have to sneak in. Monitor and respond fast. Brand defense isn't set it and forget it. You've got to monitor your brand terms, check who's bidding against you, and keep tabs on your Amazon listings. Tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or even manual audits every couple weeks, they're worth it. See something off? Act fast, report hijackers, pause low-performing ads, tighten up your listing copy. Even small gaps invite opportunists. So, to recap, here's how you defend your brand like a pro. Bid on your brand name on Google and Amazon, use sponsored brand and display ads to own your own real estate, cross-promote your catalog, enforce consistency across all platforms, monitor constantly. Remember, in e-commerce, if you don't protect your castle, someone's going to set up a lemonade stand right at your gates, and they're going to sell your customers lemonade made from your lemons. Don't let them. Stay sharp, stay protected, and of course, make each click count. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com, and I'd love to help. And until next time, happy marketing.